does an average 17-year-old build a 95 truck, $1.9 million a month empire? At 17, you bought 2 trucks. How in the world does a 17-year-old accomplish that?
I'm sure everyone starting from 17-year-old to 87-year-old want to know this, but it's a 33 minutes long video.
At the time, I didn't have the capital. It's what kills company. Those are your first 3 avenues into success.
And when we analyzed this video using AI, we figured there are 6 long steps which are absolutely stressful and not at all beginner friendly. So what he has accomplished is neither simple nor easy. But interestingly, every day when I go live on TikTok and Instagram, I see 17-year-old people come on live and say, how can I make money? The worst, when they ask me in the DM, how can I make millions fast? They're always on phone, watching videos, always on social media, playing games. And here is what this 17-year-old millionaire has to say about this.
Andrew, let's dive into it. If you could go back in time and tell your younger self, don't do this, what would that thing be?
Stay off your phone.
Mind blown. So all the 17-year-old guys and girls out there, if you want to succeed, you want to delete social media from your phone. Heck, you want to delete your phone from your life and get to work.
Part about being an
Sacrifices and the time away from family.
Any favorite podcasts or audiobooks for the road?
Love the Jocko Willing podcast. I love
How can you start? Simple. Start with AI. Use AI to analyze other people's videos and contents and learn fast. Take notes, and from your notes, make simple videos to teach what you learned to others. Upload your videos on social media. Social media will send you traffic. Drive all the traffic through an AI-powered automated sales system. This system should do the high-ticket selling for you. And when there is a sale, you earn high-ticket affiliate commission. And if you're new to this and you want to know how our students earn this kind of money using a 99% done-for-you system, then check my profile for a free case study or comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to that.